Hello, wonderful friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Do you like pickup? How are you doing? I want to believe you all are doing fine. Yeah, this is Gracelinkherbal. You're highly welcome. And I want to believe you all are doing fine. First and foremost, I want to say thank you to my wonderful supporters, my wonderful friends, my wonderful family out there. God bless you all for your care, yeah, your support, your cause. They're just too numerous to mention. God bless you. Today we have another interesting video. Without much ado, let's just go straight. uh I'm not really happy about this, but I wouldn't want the mistake to repeat itself, even though we've taken care of the mistake. But I wouldn't want it to repeat itself. In case you're following me, or you've been following me, please, I'm sorry this video is coming up now. It's supposed to be up for a very long time, but maybe due to one or two things, though, let me just put it that there is perfect time for everything. Okay, all right. So someone called me complaining of a threat from a neighbor because they had misunderstanding, and the person threatened to terminate her life, you know even though she's pregnant. In fact, not was she's pregnant. And the person told her that she's not going to put to bed even as long as he's alive, so that she should consider herself dead. And she was like, God forbid, and went in. This is one thing I don't trellis. I don't tell people to take every threat to be an empty threat. Not many of them are not just empty threats. Many of them are mean. Many of them is you may think they're just saying for saying sake, but many of them are mean. And if you don't do anything about that, the devil you are dealing with will use it against you, especially when you're a pregnant woman. In that condition, definitely they wait for you in the labor ward or labor room, as the case may be. So for her to keep quiet and allow the so-called neighbor to go scot-free, it's just, let me put it, it's one of the mistakes. I said she made a very big mistake, but notwithstanding, there is still a solution to that. And that is the solution I want to give out now. In case you find yourself in that shoe, you must not be pregnant, but in case you're passing through such challenges, someone would be putting fear to you, like threatening to terminate your life, even the life they never gave you. The life, in fact, the breath you're taking in, they don't even know how it's come about. The same breath they're taking, but because you are breathing, they're angry over that. They just want to terminate your own. That is what I want to say. Don't make that mistake. If such threats come in, yes, you still have the opportunity to rebuke it right there, and then have to go move up ahead of them to protect yourself. Very much important. So what you're going to do about that is simple. Just get me three things. I need palm palm oil. Palm oil. The ojuku, I don't know how to put it, but it's a special. It's very special. Very, very special. The special is quite unique from the normal palm kernel. Is, yeah. Just get it. Once you get it, you get oil. You get a local egg, brown one. Rub the oil around the rub it very well on the body of the local egg. Look for three junction, T junction. Use it and say, whoever that wishes you death. Whoever, say your prayer before going. Whoever that wishes you death will never see you. Nor you, nor your family, nor your head. know your blood. After that, roll it around your head and break it at the T junction. Then when you get back home, use your normal kerosene, the kerosene we use in cooking. Yeah, the kerosene we use every day. You know, once something is a once kerosene touches any food, it will be difficult to be eaten. Even you yourself, you cannot even eat any food, no matter how tasty. Once there is a drop of kerosene there, you cannot eat it again. Use that kerosene and rub on your palms. I said no one can eat. Even ants cannot eat anything dent with kerosene. And so shall nobody, no man, no woman can eat your life and take away your life, even your destiny. After that, go to bed peacefully and pray over it. The next morning, take a shower and continue to put it in prayer. Watch out and see how God is going to turn around. It's definitely that plans, whatever plans that person had for you, is not going to work. Trust me. No matter their power, it can never work again. So don't ever relent, and don't think that every threat is an empty threat. Whichever one that comes in place of your life to take your life, please, this life is so sweet and it has no duplicates. So whatever you are doing along the line, you lose your life. That's the most precious thing you can ever lose in this life, and even your crown. So I'm going to stop here for now. In case you have someone passing through this, you can pass this information, and not forget to like the video. Don't also forget to subscribe to the channel if you are yet to subscribe to this channel. Then lastly, like this video so that YouTube will be recommending my videos. Okay, I love you all. I remain your girl Grace. See you in my next video. Bye bye.